Located on the Ionian coast of southern Apulia, the historic city of Taranto is one of the oldest and most culturally layered cities in Italy. Positioned between two bodies of water, the Mar Grande and the Mar Piccolo, Taranto possesses a unique maritime character shaped by more than 2,000 years of history, trade, and naval importance. Founded by Spartan colonists in the 8th century BCE, Taranto became one of the most powerful cities of Magna Graecia, the network of Greek settlements in southern Italy. Its ancient heritage remains deeply embedded in the city's identity and is visible in archaeological sites, historic streets, and museum collections. The outstanding National Archaeological Museum of Taranto houses one of Italy's finest collections of Greek artifacts, including exquisite gold jewelry, ceramics, and sculptures that reveal the city's classical splendor. The historic heart of Taranto lies on a small island between the two seas, connected to the mainland by bridges. This atmospheric old quarter is a maze of narrow alleyways, ancient churches, crumbling palaces, and hidden courtyards that reflect centuries of layered history. Dominating the entrance to the old city is the imposing Aragonese Castle, a fortress rebuilt during the Renaissance to defend the harbor from invasion. Taranto's relationship with the sea defines daily life. Fishing traditions remain strong, and the city is famous for its mussels, cultivated in the unique ecosystem of the Mar Piccolo. Seafood plays a central role in local cuisine, alongside Apulian specialties such as orecchietti pasta, olive oil, and regional wines. Modern Taranto is also an important naval and industrial center, home to one of Italy's major naval bases. This industrial development has brought both economic significance and environmental challenges, creating a complex contrast between the city's rich heritage and contemporary realities. Despite these contrasts, Taranto possesses a striking authenticity and emotional depth. Sunlight reflecting off the harbor, fishermen working along the quays, and the mixture of Greek, medieval, and modern influences give the city a character unlike anywhere else in Italy. What makes Taranto especially compelling is its extraordinary fusion of civilizations, landscapes, and histories. Ancient Greece, southern Italian tradition, and maritime culture coexist here in powerful ways, creating a city that is both beautiful and raw, elegant and weathered, a fascinating gateway into the deeper historical soul of southern Italy.